Want to take a bath but too lazy to make the effort? Don't worry, this Japanese company, Science Co., has your back. The Osaka-based firm has created an AI-powered, pod-like human washing machine that cleans your body in just 15 minutes. Step into the capsule, let it fill with warm water, and watch as high-speed jets with microscopic air bubbles scrub away dirt with precision. And here's the coolest part, the AI adjusts the temperature and plays music tailored just for you. Now this concept is not new. In 1970 also, an Osaka-based company had made a human washing machine. What do you think of this product? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe for more such updates.